Well, the RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat has now stressed on Hindu unity and has called for families where to have at least 3 children, because he's expressed concern over what he's described as declining Hindu population, and he has now referred to scientific opinion suggesting that societies with an average fertility rate below 3 could face the risk of disappearing in the future. In that context, he says that Hindu families should rather consider having at least 3 children. Well, as far as when it comes to this purpose is now concerned, Mohan Bhagwat, the RSS chief, is of the opinion where he has expressed concern that he's described a declining Hindu population, saying that Hindu families should rather consider having 3 children. Let's connect with Adib on this. Adib, a call that has been made before as well, where he seems to be asking families rather to consider having 3 children per Hindu family, as far as what he believes that would otherwise bring a demographic change within the country.
Well, certainly, Amitasi, the RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat is of the opinion that there is a decline in the Hindu population, and that's the reason he is suggesting that the Hindus should have at least 3 children in order to maintain there's a decline rate going on in the Hindu population, and to maintain that the Hindu family should consider having 3 children. In fact, he also said that Hindu community should be empowered. He has expressed deep concerns on the decline in the Hindu population, and he has said that efforts should be made in suggesting people in promoting that they should be people should be educated on this matter, that how Hindu population is declining, and they should consider having 3 children so that they can maintain the Hindu population and prevent any kind of demographic changes.
All right, but he says that there is a need to unite and empower Hindus. However, there is no threat, but vigilance seems to be necessary at this hour. Thank you very much, Adib, for joining in live. Let's in the meantime